The Kekeou 500-watt stadium lights provide an impressive 70,000 lumens of brightness, offering a powerful illumination that is comparable to much higher wattage traditional lights. Crafted from aviation-grade aluminum and a high-strength lens, these lights are built to be impact-resistant and shatterproof, ensuring durability in outdoor environments. The lights feature advanced circuit design with built-in voltage stabilization and surge protection, maintaining stable performance even during power fluctuations and lightning strikes. With a modular design, these lights allow for flexible power configurations, making it easy to adjust the brightness according to different needs and applications. The installation process is versatile, as the lights come with a power cable and U-bracket, allowing for multiple mounting options on ceilings, walls, or the ground. Kekeou offers a reliable service with a 2-year after-sales support, providing free replacements for any quality issues, ensuring a worry-free experience.